We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and
okay, so I'm currently at Rebecca's place right now. We want to go to the mall because the lady I'm doing the bridal shower makeup for is a friend, and she's going to attend the bridal shower, right? So she wants to get a gift for her in the mall, and she lives very close to the mall. So I just came to pick her right now, then we'll go to the mall. I also want to see if I can get like a bucket hat. Mommy, it's saying,
how are you?
do you want to show your face?
Hi.
Just say hi.
How are you doing?
Hopefully we'll find something nice.
Like something sexy. Look at you, Nneka.
Hey, boga.
now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all good. Today is July the 18th, and today is just going to be a very chill day. just with me and myself, and I just made myself breakfast or lunch because it's my first meal, but it's like 1 p.m. right now. I'm not going to do too much, but I have to work on the immigration video that's going to go up on Friday. There's so many research which I have to do concerning the video, so I think by now you guys will have seen the video. I will link it up here somewhere. So yeah, just in case you haven't seen that video, please click on this link here and watch it. This is an up-close view of the makeup. Just something very natural, nothing too serious. I'm not really feeling the brows because I haven't like carved my brows in the longest time, so it's really bushy. But besides that, Gucci. Okay, let's get this video done. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a crop top. This crop top is from Pretty Little Thing. These pants or these shorts, I've had them like since forever. I think I got it from Ukraine. And this shirt, this shirt is from Zara. It's from the guys section and the men's section, right? I just like the baggy look and baggy feel of it. So yeah, I'm going to start setting up my room right now because of late I've just been using my room to shoot immigration videos. Before I used to use the sitting room, but I don't know, I just prefer here. My space is not really so large, so I don't really need much light here. I just use 2 soft boxes and my camera, and that's it. I don't need any other extra light. Okay guys, so these videos are so tiring and they are so hard. Like, they take a lot of time and effort. I just finished right now and I have my pedicure appointment, which I have to run for right now because it's by 3:45 and it's already 3:30. But before I go there, I even totally forgot. I ordered a cake for my friend's daughter. Today is her birthday, so I ordered a cake for her. So I want to go pick it up from the bakery now and give it to her and then go for my pedicure appointment. So I have to rush right now, so I'm just gonna change. I think I'm just gonna wear a dress because I don't want to have to fold my jeans, so I'll just wear a dress and I will just do that. Okay, okay guys, so I just got here right now, so I need to put on my mask. But I gotta do it. Yeah.
When you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while.
left from my appointment, my pedicure appointment. Oh my god, that foot massage was beautiful. So right now I'm going to drop the cake. I went to pick it up first, then came for my appointment, and now I'm going to drop it down. Hey my love, so I bought cake for her. Yeah, so you guys have to put inside the fridge until you're about to cut it, okay? Bye. Hi guys, okay, so I'm back right now. The pedicure session was actually really good. The lady Yvonne, yeah, her name is Yvonne. She was really nice, really calm. She gave me a full massage. It was really good. I have some packages I want to unbox with you guys, so please indulge me. I don't know which is which, but I think as I open the boxes I will just kind of figure out where it's from. I have this package. One is from Amazon Prime. I got some few things from two things actually from Amazon. So let's see what this one is. Oh, okay, this is my Canon battery pack. I only have one battery for my sit down videos, and I noticed that like sometimes when I'm shooting the video, the battery will just die on me, and I will not have to charge it and wait for it to charge, which was very inconvenient. So it came with two battery packs, the digital charger. Yeah, this is the USB, the one you use to charge. Yeah, so this is going to save me loads of time because I was just wasting time unnecessarily. I think I have one PR package. So this is a PR package actually. Yeah, this is their skincare system. This brand is a skincare brand, so they sent me this, the skincare system. It has the facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, facial cleansing brush, and pumice stone, which I think is for your leg. I kind of suffer with back acne sometimes, so I think this is going to be very good for like body exfoliating and stuff. So I'm just going to be using this for my body and for my leg too as well. Okay guys, so if you're interested in purchasing this product, I have a discount code for you guys, which is my name, Nneka, and you'll get 70% off your purchase. And you can either use the normal checking out process, or you use PayPal, or you can use Amazon Pay. So it all depends on your preference. So yeah, thank you Valerie for sending this to me, because I'm definitely gonna use this. It's definitely gonna come in handy. Now the next thing is, yes, this care package. So yeah, the company I work for, it was I think employee month last month, and I wasn't able to go pick this up the day they shared it to people, so I couldn't get mine. So I just got mine 3 days ago. So let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, there's a note here. Thank you for taking care of Canada. Since the beginning of this pandemic, employees have risen to the challenge of taking care of Canadians in incredible ways. Despite difficult conditions, our clients from coast to coast depend on us for the exceptional care and support they deserve. Whether you're on the front line, phone, logistics support, pharmacy, clinic, or office, each of us has truly earned recognition as a healthcare hero, and for that I am sincerely thankful. As a token of appreciation for your courage, hard work, and dedication, please enjoy your personal gratitude bag prepared by your local leadership. You've all proven once again how to make it through tough times with passion and caring. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for taking care of Canada. Oh, this is so sweet, President. So this came from them. This is really sweet and very thoughtful. What's in here? This is a candle. This is so nice. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells really good too, so that's good. We have hand sanitizer here, pasta. This is actually very cool. I never buy pasta. I never go to the store, grocery store, and buy pasta, so I'm definitely going to try this out. And oh, this is pasta sauce, marinara sauce. I'm not really a fan of marinara sauce, to be honest. I really don't like it. I don't like the taste of it. It's too tomatoey. I don't really like that, but this is cool. I think this is coffee, but I don't know if it's an instant coffee or I'll have to. It smells like a coffee anyway. Then this is pancake mix. It seems like they know that we like food. But this is so nice. It has so much calorie, shower. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. This care package was very thought out. So that's very nice. This is also from Amazon, I think. Oh yeah, I know what this is. This is a jewelry stand. If you guys notice throughout this vlog, I've been trying to accessorize a bit more than I would usually. I'm trying to just incorporate that into my fashion style. Wear more jewelry, wear more bold earrings. I don't know, because I never used to accessorize. Like I just used to like wear a chain and a stud earring. I don't wear hoops. I hardly wear hoops. I only just have one hoop. But of recent, I just got a different set of hoop that I just want to try and wearing, because I really don't know. I never used to like jewelry. I never used to like to accessorize as much. But now I want to try my best to add accessories to my wardrobe. I noticed that even though you wear a casual clothes, right, and you accessorize nicely, it takes you to a whole new different level. Like you look more put together, you look more expensive, if you know what I'm saying. Even though it's not real gold or real diamond or real silver, you still look more, you know, put together. Where I keep my accessories right now is like in a box, and everything just gets tangled and it doesn't really look pleasant. So I got this one from Amazon. I'm just going to do it right now so I can show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so that's it. I really don't know if I like the positioning of where the artificial plant is and the jewelry stand is. I don't know, I might alter it a bit. I think it doesn't look bad. It actually really looks really cute and it serves the purpose, so that's all that matters right now. So yeah, you guys should let me know what you guys think about that. But for now, this is what we are working with. So yeah, that's that, and I'm going to end the vlog here because girl, I'm gonna be working throughout this week later on, so I just don't want to have to, you know, prolong everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I didn't really do so much in this vlog, not so much, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your girl's channel. When you like my videos, it really does help me and helps my engagement as well on YouTube. Also turn on the post notification so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys, bye.